Now, Xiaomi's recent Android One smartphone, the Mi A2, has got a price cut of about 3000 rupees and is now selling at 13,999 for the base variant. You're watching India Today Tech, I'm Rahul Sethi, and let's find out if this proposition makes sense in 2019, where we have smartphones like the Realme 2 Pro selling at the same price. The Mi A2 was quite an ambitious smartphone from Xiaomi, and building on the success of Mi A1, it was launched at 16,999. When the phone had everything that even the most high-end Redmi smartphones could not offer, like a premium full metal unibody design, better dual camera setup, and most of all, stock Android interface that could offer much better experience compared to the MIUI. But with no headphone jack, a smaller battery, and not so much improvements over the Mi A1, left Mi fans asking for more. Now that it has come at 13,999, let's compare it with the Zenfone Max Pro M2, the Realme 2 Pro, and Xiaomi's own Redmi Note 6 Pro. Now if you take a look at the price and compare the basic specifications, you get Snapdragon 660 with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage on Realme 2 Pro, although the Zenfone Max Pro M2 is slightly costlier, and the Redmi Note 6 Pro that comes at the same price has a slightly inferior chipset, the Snapdragon 636. But more or less, most smartphones offer very similar specifications. Now as far as the performance goes, after the price cut, the Mi A2 comes in the category that already offers great performance hardware. But what matters now is the stock Android interface. Most phones run their own interface on top of Android, and they don't offer guaranteed updates for the next 2 years, which the Mi A2 does. And that is the first big plus point of Mi A2, the stock Android interface. Although almost all phones offer you a plastic or a plastic metal hybrid build, the Mi A2 has a complete full metal unibody build. Now the third, and I would say one of the best advantages of Mi A2, is its dual camera setup. We have seen that no other smartphone still, after so many years of Mi A1, is not able to properly get portrait shots right. I mean, there are always some problem or the other, either with the background blur or the low light situations, or even the detail or low light noise. You'll see most phones are not able to get the portrait mode right, and that is where the Mi A2 shines. The front camera on the Mi A2 is also pretty nice at 20 megapixels. Now there are reasons why you would not select the Mi A2 over all these smartphones, and the first one being it does not have expandable storage slot. It does allow you to run 2 SIM cards, but there is no space to expand storage. Most of the phones we have seen in this price segment offer you triple slot, which not only allows dual SIM cards but also to expand the storage. And that is the reason if 64GB is not enough for you, you'll have to go for the 15,999 variant. Next, the Mi A2 also does not have a headphone jack, so you'll need to invest in a good pair of wireless earphones if you are very frequent at listening to music, watching videos, or making calls using the hands-free. Lastly, the battery on the Mi A2 is not as impressive as the Realme 2 Pro or even the Redmi Note 6 Pro. Also, it does not come with a fast charger, and you'll need to buy a Qualcomm certified fast charger separately if you need to charge the smartphone in less than 2 hours. So if all these reasons don't bother you, the Mi A2 is an amazing device to buy at 13,999. Do let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones, and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.